What's up guys, Shiv Sivat Fitness here. Welcome back to another fitness video. Since you have seen the video title, this video is gonna be how can you gain muscle and increase your weight at home without gym. So there will be two parts in this video. I am dividing this video into two parts. The first part will be the diet plan and the second part will be the workout. I'll be showing you workouts you should start doing at home to gain muscle, and I'll also talk about how should you design your diet plan so that you can gain muscle and increase your weight at home. So if you didn't subscribe the channel yet, hit the subscribe button to get more fitness video for home and build a bigger family. So let's start. We have very common question like I eat a lot of foods but my weight remains same all the time. How to increase my weight? What should I do? Should I join gym? These are very common questions. Let me tell you one thing, you need to work on your muscle. You need to work hard on your muscle in order to increase your muscle growth. You don't need a gym to gain weight. You can gain weight wherever you want. If you don't work on your muscle, how will your muscle grow? So this is very much important to work on your muscle, and the best way to work on is starting workout. If your diet has high protein and complex carbohydrate, it's a very good diet. The only thing you need is a proper workout routine. But the problem is you guys cannot make a proper workout routine for yourself. Eventually the circumstances is zero. As a result, you guys think this is not possible at home. But believe me, this is very much possible. Let me explain you. You want to increase your weight as well as you want a good body shape. That's why you are taking a lot of foods including fast food which contains high carbohydrates. But first of all, you need to know which food will increase your body muscle. Those food you take only increase your body fat percentage, not muscle. Yeah, you can take a small quantity, but much you need is protein. Think about it, if you are not taking exact protein your body needs, how will your weight increase? So you need to take exact protein according to your weights. You can take few much as well. Now the question is, what foods should you take that contains high protein? You can take chicken, fish, paneer. You can also take red meat like lean beef, almonds, full eggs, broccoli, oats and lentils and milk. Now let me tell you the complex carbohydrate items. There are brown rice, sweet potatoes, bread, roti in our country, etc. Complex carbohydrate is very healthy food you can take. These are very healthy food, but don't take too much of this food because taking too much is always dangerous. Design your own diet using this protein carbohydrate I told in this video according to your weights, and wait for the two major rules at the end of this video. I am not designing a diet plan for you because you know your body condition better than me, so I am telling you how can you design your diet plan so that you don't need to go to gym. This is the first part of this video, the diet part. Now let's come to the next part, workout. We'll focus on our muscle and try to engage them harder so that they can grow fast. Remember, you should take rest 1 or 2 days in a week in order to recover your muscle, because when you work on them, you usually tear them. So let's see our workouts, what does it look like. Do warm up before starting your workout. Our first exercise is regular push-ups. After doing regular push-ups, if you feel easy, then add weights. Use bag full with books as weight. Then do the same regular push-ups. Our next exercise is diamond push-ups. Make diamond shape with both of your hands, then do the push-ups adding weights of back. Our next exercise is Russian twist. Russian twist is a very good exercise for losing your love handles fat. Next exercise is squat. If regular squat is easy for you, add some weights of back and then do the same regular squats. Next exercise is chair dips. Chair dips is alternative of regular dips. This time also add some weights of back to gain more. Next, kickbacks. Use 1 liter water pulse to do this exercise. Do 10 repetitions of each side for 3 sets. Next workout is biceps curl. We are replacing dumbbell with bags. Do 10 repetitions of each hand for 3 sets. Do 10 repetitions of each hand for 3 sets. Next exercise is hammer curl. Do this exercise 10 repetitions for 3 sets. Our last exercise is in and out. Keep your chest straight to complete this exercise. Do 12 repetitions for 3 sets. We have completed all exercise which is gonna focus on your muscle. So let's summarize the full video in 2 major rules. If we summarize this video, we can see 2 major rules. Number 1, work on your muscle. Number 2, eat high protein. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe this channel. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.